A very good evening to Toastmasters, guests, Toastmasters. I will never forget in my life what happens when cells multiply. A very well organized speech by Toastmaster Pravesh. And when I say very well organized, let me take you through why I said that. Pravesh used a personal story. And he started with a personal story, and in between, he landed up with a well-researched thing which explained what is tumor. He explained the grades of tumor, the NF2, and which is a very genetic disorder and a very rare disease actually, which happened to his wife. There is another name of this disease which I confused myself with shawarma. So I thought if I eat shawarma, maybe I get something in my ear. So I said better stay away from the shawarma. In between, I got lost, Pravesh, honestly. I thought that you are starting with a good story, emotional story, and suddenly you are coming up with the tumor thing. But the most important thing which you did in the last was you connected back to the story. You again connected back to the story and you said something which happened to your wife, and you took her around with doctors, and how you basically were so involved in getting your wife get rid of this disease. The passion which was coming out was really so impactful that everybody was just observing and feeling that how much pain you would have been going through that time. That was a very good thing. The area for improvement which I would like to suggest in this speech, because the objective was to do a well-researched thing, which you did in between. Number one was the stage presence. Your stage presence was very much because you were standing here and you were talking, so you were avoiding the audience was sitting in the back. The second important thing which you should take care in your next speeches is basically the transition. When you started with the emotional story, the transition to the biological story of tumor and all those things was very, very abrupt. It was very sudden. It could have been like you had taken people on the edge where everybody was just, okay, what happened next, and suddenly you said, okay, this is tumor, this is grade 4 disease and all. So you could have used something like, would you like to know what is tumor? Would you like to know why it happens? What are the grades? Would you like to know about it? I did a research on this, and this is something I would really like to share with you. So it would have been a very smooth transition, which was something which was missing, and I think that you should take care during your next speeches. And in the last, I would suggest, I would say, and you know that I'm a very emotional person, you are such a lovely and caring husband. We all are proud of you. And you have a very kind heart, and trust me, your speech has not multiplied the cells, but the emotions and the love and the respect self for you also. Thank you so much.